A key source of electricity to power the pumps that manage flooding in New Orleans. It's once again, unfortunately, offline.
And what that means is that the Sewerage and Water Board does not have what it needs to run all the pumps at full capacity during heavy rain. And remember, we are in hurricane season. Paul Murphy has an update and exclusive details on when the utility's new power substation, which will help, will be up and running.
We are just weeks away from peak hurricane season along the Gulf Coast. The New Orleans Sewage and Water Board is now scrambling to fix key flood protection equipment. According to the utility, Turbine 4, the 120-year-old steam-powered generator, which provides some of the electricity to run city drainage pumps, recently clicked offline. The outage leaves the city slightly below the power needed to run all the pumps during heavy rain.
Turbine 4 will be running some additional tests next week. We expect that to be back in service by June 30th, well in time for peak hurricane season.
Help is on the way. WWL Louisiana has learned the Water Board plans to flip the switch on its new $300 million power substation on July 14th.
Getting off of Turbine 4 is going to be absolutely critical for us. We're really excited about being able to start up those frequency changers and run pumps off those starting in mid-July.
According to the utility, 7 key pumps are also down. Nelson admits the pumping capacity at Drainage Pumping Station 4 in Gentilly has dropped by nearly 30%. Eric Howenstein lives around the corner from the station.
The past 3 weeks, 4 weeks, yeah, way more water on the street, lasting a lot longer too.
According to Nelson, it's still unclear when the Gentilly pump will be back online. The Sewage and Water Board met Tuesday to begin discussions on a new stormwater fee to fix and maintain the drainage system in the future.
Sewage and Water Board officials are hoping to have a stormwater drainage fee in place by 2027. That's when one of the utility's existing millages rolls off the books. Paul Murphy, WWL Louisiana.
Stormwater fee would require city council and voter approval.